order in nature. There are orders in nature in UHV. First is material order, second is plant order or bioorder, third is animal order, fourth is human knowledge order. First one is material order. It encompasses the physical elements like soil, water, air, mineral and metals. It provides the foundation for all others orders, facilitate its existence by ensuring the conductive environment and maintain insurance and constitution of earth. Second is plant order or bioorder. This order includes all living organisms that produces their own food through photosynthesis like plant, trees and grasses. Third is animal order. This order includes human being who possesses unique cognitive ability including the capacity for reasoning, knowledge and language. Fourth is human order. Human order includes human beings who possesses unique cognitive abilities including the capacity for reasoning and knowledge. Human order facilitate care of the body by ensuring physical facility environment for existing growth of body, facilitates will to live with continuous happiness by ensuring human education sanskar, participating in developing and maintaining diverse society and universal human order. These are four order in nature. To understand the innate harmony in nature and live according, that is to facilitate conductive environment for the activity for all orders, to facilitate the innates for all orders, at least not violate it. Thank you.